welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, I am so sorry about what happened last time, but you know what happens if you run over. The team owners, the sponsors, the crew chiefs, you know, everybody gets mad at you, so we had to do it. So I'm sure you understand, you've probably all been there. So alright, anyway, on today's episode, we're going to see if this old Chevy will run. Hopefully it does. Thanks for watching. Thought I had a little more gas here, but apparently I don't. But we'll still shoot a little in and see if I can get a little more in there. That should be enough to see if it pops. So, all right, let's see if it goes. All right, it runs. Sounded pretty good. All right, I'm going to try to start this from the key once inside and make sure we're good there. And then I'm going to take the starter button off because we shouldn't need it then. But this is good news. This thing started right up. Here we go. Alright, so it turns out if you put good points in it, it'll help it run. Alright, we're going to continue working on the truck. We're going to take a look at the gas tank and see how that looks. Alright, that should be out enough. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so we're going to take the fuel line off and then take the sending unit out so we can look inside the gas tank. And again, I mean, it smells not the best, but it's not terrible either. Ooh, there's no sock on it. It's pretty crusty. I'll pull it out so you can look at it. Alright, here it is. As you can see, it looks pretty crusty. The sock is missing. So let's look down inside the tank and see what that looks like. Let me shine in there. That's pretty crusty. This thing definitely needs a new tank, without question. It's really hard to show you any more than that, but you get the idea. Alright, let's get the gas tank out of here. Alright, so here's the gas tank out of this truck, and I noticed this when I was taking it out. It appears that this is a date code on it, and it says 4 of 70, and the truck was built in 2 of 70, so I wonder if by chance this truck had a warranty gas tank put in it. So, I don't know, kind of interesting. Maybe it's not really the date code. Usually they are when you get numbers like that, but, you know, who knows. Well, let's go out front and see what Ed and Robert are up to. They're going to try to pull the body off the frame on this Suburban. We're not sure if the tractor can lift it or not. Looks like it can.
Oh, my back wheels. Oh, all right. Can you look under there and see if it's all loose? Under there? Yeah. I think it's pretty all the way under.
Enough slack. Yeah. I got a feeling something's still connected. That's good. Yeah, put it in the creek.
About another 20 feet yet. This thing is really rust free. Got a few things we got to get out of here yet, but it's getting close. All right, the new gas tank came in. Let's crack it open. It's from Taiwan, so you know it's good. Yeah, so far it kind of looks like the other one, so that's good news. Let's set it, let's go over by it and see. Alright, it's about the same size and everything. I'm just looking at the holes to see if the holes are in the right location. The filler neck's about the same angle. The sending unit holes in about the right spot. Those holes are in the same neighborhood, so I think we're okay. I'm going to go ahead. There's a slight ding in the corner here. I'm going to straighten that out, but I think we're okay to go ahead and try to put it in. So let's put it in. Alright, let's tweak this out. This is a body hammer, isn't it? There we go. Good as new. Go. Alright, we got everything started. Let's button it up. Alright, that kind of formed that lip a little bit better now, so now we're in pretty good shape. Now I got a sending unit ordered. That sending unit should be here a little bit later on. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Be sure to come back next time. We'll keep working on the old Chevy truck. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching. And the crew chiefs and the ad people, and yeah, everybody gets mad at you. So anyway, I'm glad you All right, the new gas can